We're gonna take all that plastic stuff you might normally just toss out and turn it into something completely amazing. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, so you know those empty soda bottles and milk jugs that just pile up? We all have them. But what if I told you they're not really junk at all? That's right, it is literally a treasure chest just waiting for you to open it. Every single bottle, jug, and cap is like your personal ticket to a super fun crafting adventure. Think of it as your own secret stash of art supplies. So what kind of treasure are we even talking about? Well, let's take a look at the awesome materials you probably already have just lying around the house right now. First up, we've got the classic soda bottles. The plastic they're made of is super strong and usually see-through, which makes them perfect for projects that need to be sturdy, like organizers or planters. Plus, the colorful ones, instant decoration.
Next, milk jugs. Now their plastic is a little softer and way more flexible, which is amazing for making bigger things with these really cool curvy shapes. It's super easy to cut, but it still holds its shape. You'll totally see what I mean in a minute.
And hey, do not forget the little guys, bottle caps. They're like these little colorful gems that you can use for mosaics or making game pieces or just adding fun little details. Seriously, you should start a collection. Don't throw them away. Okay, so we've got our materials, awesome. Let's start by giving your personal space, your bedroom or your desk, a total style glow up that is 100% you. First mission, your desk. Are you ready to give it a major glow up and make it the absolute cutest, most organized spot in your entire room? Yeah, I thought so.
Okay, check out this super cute organizer made from just one plastic bottle. It's so easy. First, just grab a bottle. Next, and listen, this part is really important. Get a grown-up to help you carefully cut it. Then comes the best part, decorating. Here's a little pro tip. Acrylic paint sticks to plastic perfectly, so go wild with colors, glitter, stickers, anything. And then just fill it up with your pens, pencils, makeup brushes, whatever. How simple is that?
And honestly, that's just the start. You could make an awesome jewelry stand so your necklaces never get tangled again, or even make your very own piggy bank. Oh, and how about making some funky animal friends, like this adorable little penguin? It's just made from 2 bottle bottoms. So cute! All right, let's take all this creative energy outside. Your garden is about to get so much more colorful and fun, and we might even make some new little friends while we're at it. I love this slide because it shows the magic perfectly. On the left, you've just got a plain old milk jug, but with a couple of little cuts and a bit of imagination, poof! It's a bird's new favorite restaurant. You can literally invite wildlife to come hang out in your backyard. And there is so much more you can do outside. You can make self-watering planters for your flowers or build a cool vertical garden if you don't have a lot of space. And how elegant are these swan planters? You can also make colorful wind spinners or even a whole garden of flowers using bottle bottoms. Your yard is going to be the talk of the neighborhood. Okay, who here loves a good party? Because your new crafting skills are about to make every single celebration feel extra special. It is time to get festive. For Halloween, you can totally forget the store-bought decorations. Just grab a milk jug, draw a spooky face on it, and pop a little battery-powered light inside, and boom! You have the cutest little ghost to say hi to all the trick-or-treaters. And then, when the holidays roll around, you can take a black plastic bottle, add some fluffy cotton for trim, and make these adorable little Santa boots. They're perfect for holding candy canes and just making the whole room feel extra cozy and festive. And hey, for any party, any time of year, check out these gorgeous, colorful flowers made from bottle bottoms. They never wilt, and they make any space feel like a celebration, like instantly. So we've seen how to make your room look amazing, make your garden beautiful, and make your parties totally pop. Now, there's really only one thing left to do. The adventure starts with you. So, what do you say? Are you ready to start your own creative journey? Are you ready to look at that recycling bin and see a whole world of possibilities? Just remember that plastic isn't trash, it's treasure. Your imagination is the only thing you need. So go on, grab a bottle, and go make some magic. Thanks so much for hanging out.